line as well.
This is Kurt. I'm Marina, boat doctor. Out here in a 260, 26 foot. You could actually call it a 27, 28 foot probably 27. Anyway, everything works, steering blade. The only thing I did notice was a macerator.
Free reign to do whatever they want, whereas
could have just blew a fuse. Radio, you can just hit right here's the audio. You want to turn the volume down, you just go like this, or you can shut it off. You kick that, that goes over. Your autopilot's here. You can hit that. You can go 1 degree over. You can go 10 degrees over, or you can use the dial. 357. I'll go over to 358. Radar works. Tax work. Fuel gauge works. All the bilge pumps, horn works. Wipers work. Trim tabs work. Beater works. This doesn't work, but it's no big deal. All the lights work. Wash down works. Back heater works. Sink works. And we're on autopilot right now off the rear deck. You click this. That turns on. And this here should be turned off by now. Yep. Then you come back here, all the downriggers work. Windlass works, good water flow. So then I can control it back here. Try to keep your RPMs the same when you're on autopilot. Same thing, I got autopilot here, or I can hit the autopilot tile. And this is dual band radar. So I can have different rating, 3/4, a quarter, and I can change that one to either a quarter or 3/4. Now I'm over here, I can touch this. See how it moved at 10? Now once I hit that, then I can dial it in just by using this. I'll go to 345. Okay, so then if I want to stop it, you just hit this here and hit on standby. Then you kick these back into neutral. Then you come back up here, you hit the selector switch until these blue lights come on. You put it in gear. There you go. You can spin it left and right. So we'll get this thing up on top. The steering feels a lot better. Although we better check the sonar. The sonar seems to not be, let me see here, this channel 1, he only had that one channel 2. Let's see what that reads. Here we go here. So, let's go to auto frequency 200. Now, I think he only had the one on here, this unit number 1. So that's off just a hair. I'm gonna have to look into that. See what his depth is. So anyway, go in here. This way you can spin it. Just by using this, see, I'm going to, I can hold it in one spot. Then if I want to go to the right, you just put this one back until the boat just starts moving backwards. Then you can use this front one for speed. Going too fast, there you go. Okay, now that I got this, I'm just going to work on this depth finder for a while. And so for what I got is a macerator pump, this, and now I got to figure out why this depth finder isn't reading like it should. And I could have swore I just seen the one back there. It's an active 3-in-1. I'll get it working. Boat doctor out.